Dear friends, now I am dictating elaboration part of technical examinations of Tamil Nadu. This is 100 words per minute dictation of May 1980. This speed contains 4 minutes dictation of 4 letters. Only the content important. If there is any omissions, there is no need to worry. Get ready. Number 1. Sealed tenders are invited from licensed building contractors for construction of godowns at Madras for the Food Corporation of India for storage of food grains. Application forms may be obtained from the Zonal Manager, Food Corporation of India, Madras, during working hours on payment of rupees 5. Rupees 500 earnest money should be paid into State Bank of India and Chalan enclosed. Tenders should be submitted before 5 p.m. on 10th February. Tenders will be opened in the presence of tenderers at 10 a.m. on 11th. The zonal manager reserves the right to reject any tender. Draft tender notice. Number 2. Letter from Ranganathan and Company, Egmore, Madras, to Thiru Rajagopalan of Salem. He had been acting as their agent in his area for the last 5 years. He had promised that he would show definite improvement in the sales of their articles, but they find no improvement. On the other hand, they find a decline for the past 1 year. This is in spite of the heavy demand for their articles. Notice is therefore given that if there is no improvement in the next 1 month, they may have to terminate his agency and appoint somebody else. He has to reply within a fortnight of the receipt of the letter whether he is willing to continue as agent or not. Draft a letter. Number 3. A leading import and export firm, Armenian Street, Madras, requires a good telephone operator. Ladies will be preferable. Persons who have previous experience will be given preference. Salary rupees 300 and other allowances. High starting salary will be allowed for persons with previous experience and are really capable. Draft advertisement and an application giving 3 years experience. Number 4. The stretch of road from Saidapet to Medavakkam via Velacheri has been damaged in recent floods. The road is not now fully fit for vehicular traffic. There are a number of buses plying along that road. A number of cycles, cars, and lorries also pass along that road. Most of the vehicle often get damaged due to the many potholes and the bad condition of the road. Many representations have been made to local officials, but they have not been fruitful. Draft letter as from the president of a welfare association of that area to the chief engineer, highways department, Chepak, Madras, requesting that immediate and effective action be taken to repair the road.